Instantly fix your iPhone, trust this computer, black screen. If your iPhone cannot tap trust this computer, you're stuck, but we've got the immediate solutions you need right now. First, we'll reset your iPhone's location and privacy settings. This often clears corrupted trust records that prevent the prompt from appearing. Simply disconnect your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and then Reset Location and Privacy. Confirm, reconnect, and test. If that initial step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or outdated software, which brings us to method 2, updating everything. Keeping your software current is crucial because old versions often have bugs causing connection glitches. Update both your computer's iTunes or Finder and your iPhone's iOS version, then restart both devices. Still no luck? Method 3 focuses on your physical connections. Faulty cables or dirty ports are surprisingly common culprits. Inspect your USB cable for any damage, try a different cable, and switch to another USB port on your computer. Also, gently clean your iPhone's charging port and computer's USB ports. This ensures a solid data link. Finally, if all else fails, a forced restart or even a DFU mode restoration can resolve stubborn software conflicts. A forced restart clears temporary system issues, while DFU mode allows a fresh iOS install, addressing any deep-seated software corruption. Follow these steps to get your iPhone trusting again and transfer data smoothly.